The carrot cake owes its orange color to a pigment called beta-carotene, which your body turns to vitamin A. Thus, a carrot cake is actually a healthy vitamin bomb that also tastes amazing.
Hi, my name is Philou, and on this channel I show you low-calorie recipes that could help in the weight loss journey. And today it's about a really juicy protein carrot cake, so let's get into this video.
I will start with 2 whole carrots that weigh 100 grams each and remove the skin. However, if you don't like it very juicy, you can also just use 1 carrot and add 30 grams additional oats. But for me, 2 carrots is fine. So now I will take a grater and then I will try to shred everything really fine. Always check the inside of the grater so nothing gets wasted. If you don't have a grater, you can also use a mixer or just buy already shredded carrots. Next step is the flour, and I just love oat flour. It adds an awesome nutty flavor. So I will take 100 grams of oats, add them into a blender and mix them very fine. Of course, you can also buy oat flour. For me, it's just more convenient and also cheaper to make my own. This now gets into the bowl, and then I will add 50 grams of 0-calorie sweetener. I will use Stevia. And this is optional, but I will add in 1.5 scoops of vanilla whey protein powder. And as always, use whey protein powder and not casein only powder for baking. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder and half a tablespoon of baking soda. And give all of the dry ingredients a quick mix. Next is the wet ingredient. I will start to add in all of the carrots. And then I will add in 100 grams of fat-free Greek yogurt. You can also use skyr or regular yogurt, just use a 0.2% fat one. Mine has 60 calories and 10 grams of protein on 100 grams of yogurt. Now I will add in 100 grams of pure egg whites and 1 entire egg. I will add in 100 grams of milk. I will use almond milk. And then take a hand mixer and mix everything until I have a creamy and smooth consistency. Now we'll take a baking pan and grease everything with a little bit of oil. I will add in the batter, and this now gets into the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, I will do a frosting. I will add in a bowl 150 grams of Greek yogurt and then 50 grams of 0.2% fat cream cheese. Then again optional, I will add in half a scoop of vanilla whey protein powder and 1 tablespoon of sweetener. Then I will cut half a lemon and add in all of the juices. Now take a whisk and then mix everything until this is a very smooth and creamy consistency, kind of a pastry cream. After 1 minute or so, take this and put this into the fridge. Now take the cake out of the oven and let it cool down for around 30 minutes. Now separate the edges with a spatula and then remove the baking pan. Take the cream out of the fridge, put it on top and then spread it around the entire cake until everything is covered. This works very good with a spatula, so you can also cover the sides. I will add the zest of half a lemon on top and the cake is ready. So the cake comes in with 872 calories, 93 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat and 87 grams of protein. The frosting has 265 calories, 16 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat and 43 grams of protein. So all that is left to this now is to cut a piece and give this a taste test. And I think you can see that I like this cake very much.
This is so juicy. It's incredible. So like I said, if you don't like it super juicy and wet, just use 100 grams of carrots and 30 grams of oats more. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.